Okay, you could see the lake a little bit better now. You see a bunch of little boats over there, a couple boats cruising over there, some sailing yachts all the way back there, and obviously downtown Chicago over here. Traffic's getting heavier. Oh, I see some folks on the boats enjoying the weather. A couple people walking, taking walk, jogging. Oh, there's a speedboat in the back over there. Yeah. And there's a Navy Pier all the way in the back. Some folks have a little picnic over there. Oh, we got some geese over here. They don't mind, they're just grazing on the green grass. Yeah, today's a beautiful day, but I don't see very a lot of folks. Oh, today it's Thursday. People are still at work. It's still early to be out. See the water, it's moving quite bad. It's you got some action going on over there. I'm going to try to get a few minutes and visit the North Beach on North Avenue. Give you guys a nice view. Oh, I see a bunch of sailing boats over there. You see that's a big harbor over there. Some cruise. Oh, there's a cruiser going on over there, taking tourists to explore the lakefront. Navy Pier in front of us, ferry wheel over there. You're going to get a better view when I get around the corner over here. Yeah, we're getting a little closer to the turn over here, and we're going to see the Navy Pier much clearer. In a few minutes we're going to be, well, actually a couple minutes we're going to be on top of the Chicago River on the bridge right by those black buildings over there. That's the bridge right there. Actually, right behind those tall buildings is the river. Yeah, you got a bunch of small sailboats over here. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we'll see. We'll get a little closer to the turn. Trying to stay on the right over here. I have a better view for you guys. This